Okay, it's been a while since I've done anything with my car. It's been parked. It's all dirty. Sprinkles. Got a little sprinkle today. I haven't started it in a month. Oh man, I think my starter's taking a shit. That probably would help. Well, that's what happens. I think my starter was going out anyways. But that's what happens when you don't start your damn car in a month or more. Okay, so it turns out I think my battery was taking it down. Yeah, car starts fine now, no issues. Took it for a little test drive, and everything looks good. Pulled good, sounded good, idle's good. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's the turbo spooling down.